Hi everyone. The organ that I chose to talk about is the pancreas. The pancreas is a gland about 6 inches long that is shaped like a thin pear laying on its side. The wider end of the pancreas is called the head, the middle section is called the body, and the narrow end is called the tail. The pancreas lies between the stomach and the spine. It weighs about 1/5 of a pound. It is part of the digestive system and produces insulin and other important enzymes and hormones that help break down foods. The pancreas has an endocrine function because it releases juices directly into the bloodstream, and it has an exocrine function because it releases juices into ducts. Enzymes or digestive juices are secreted by the pancreas into the small intestine. There it continues breaking down food that has left the stomach. The pancreas also produces the hormone insulin and secretes it into the bloodstream, where it regulates the body's glucose or sugar level. Problems with insulin control can lead to diabetes. Other possible health problems include pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Some fast facts include the pancreas is a gland organ with a key role in digestion and glucose control. Problems related to the pancreas include diabetes and cancer. A healthful diet can contribute to maintaining a healthy pancreas. The pancreas is an organ that extends horizontally across the abdomen. The largest part lays on the right side of the abdomen, where the stomach attaches to the first part of the small intestine called the duodenum. At this point, the partially digested food passes from the stomach into the small intestine, and it mixes with the secretions from the pancreas. The narrow part of the pancreas extends to the left side of the abdomen next to the spleen. A duct runs the length of the pancreas, and it is joined by several small branches from the granular tissue. The end of this duct is connected to a similar duct that comes from the liver, which delivers bile to the duodenum. About 95% of the pancreas is exocrine tissue. It produces pancreatic enzymes to aid in digestion. A healthy pancreas makes about 2.2 pints, which is approximately 1 liter of these enzymes every day. The remaining 5% comprises hundreds of thousands of exocrine cells known as islets of Langerhans. These grape-like cell clusters produce important hormones that regulate pancreatic secretions and control blood pressure. The function of the pancreas includes a healthy pancreas produces chemicals to digest the food we eat. The exocrine tissues secrete a clear, watery, alkaline juice that contains several enzymes. These break down food into small molecules that can be absorbed by the intestines. The enzymes include trypsin and chylitrypsin to digest proteins, L-lysine to break down carbohydrates, lipid to break down fats into fatty acids and cholesterol. The endocrine portion, or islets of Langerhans, secrete insulin and other hormones. Pancreatic beta cells release insulin when blood sugar levels rise. Insulin moves glucose from the blood into muscles and other tissues for use as energy. This also helps the liver absorb glucose, storing it as glycogen in case the body needs energy during stress or exercise. When blood sugar falls, pancreatic alpha cells release the hormone glycogen. Glycogen causes glycogen to be broken down into glucose in the liver. The glucose then enters the bloodstream, restoring blood sugar levels to normal. Disorders of the pancreas can affect the whole body. If the pancreas does not produce enough digestive enzymes, for example, food will not be properly absorbed. This can lead to weight loss and diarrhea. The isolates of Langerhans are responsible for regulating blood glucose. Too little insulin production will increase the risk of diabetes and blood glucose levels will rise. Pancreatitis refers to an acute or chronic inflammation of the pancreas. It can lead to secondary diabetes, among other disorders. Acute pancreatitis is rare, but it can also happen as well. Chronic pancreatitis can develop if acute pancreatitis happens repetitively, resulting in permanent damage. Hereditary pancreatitis can happen if there is an inherited problem in the pancreas or the intestine. Pancreatic cancer. This is cancer that develops in the pancreas. The exact cause is often unknown, but is often linked to smoking or heavy drinking. Also, an important fact about the pancreas is that pancreatic cancer is the 4th most common cause of cancer in men in the United States and the 5th in women. Over 37,000 new cases are diagnosed each year. Also, the pancreas can lead to such disorders such as diabetes. You have type 1 diabetes and type 2. Other problems that can occur is exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, pancreatic cyst, pancreatic fluid collections, Zollner-Elson syndrome. And also something that I found very interesting, and I asked myself, is can you live without a pancreas? After doing much research, yes, you can live without a pancreas. Only those with pancreatic cancer, severe cases of pancreatitis, or other diseases of the pancreas face the possibility of having to live without one. Therefore, it is important to maintain a healthy pancreas to avoid the conditions that I spoke about. Right here you can see a good diagram of the pancreas. I also have here a CT axial pancreas view, and you can see the pancreatic body with the pancreatic tail. That is it. Thanks.